creator of Python programming language Guido announces retirement. Guido van Rossum, the creator of computer programming language Python, has announced that he is leaving cloud file hosting service Dropbox after over 6.5 years and is now retired. Our CEO Drew Houston's very first lines of code for Dropbox were written in Python. Dropbox wrote, "It's bittersweet. I've learned a lot during my time as an engineer here," Guido said. TikTok faces U.S. security probe over $1 billion musical.ly merger. Report: the U.S. government has launched a national security review of Chinese startup ByteDance, owner of lip-syncing video platform TikTok, over its $1 billion acquisition of rival musical.ly. Reuters reported. TikTok reportedly didn't seek clearance from U.S. agency CFIUS on the acquisition. The probe also reportedly revolves around data security concerns and reports of censorship by TikTok. Apple seeks U.S. tariff waiver on China-made iPhone parts. AirPods: Apple is seeking tariff waiver from the Trump administration on China-made Apple Watches, AirPods, iPhone components and other consumer products. Regulatory filings revealed. The technology giant sought tariff exclusions from 11 products on Thursday, and the public has until November 14 to submit comments on the requests. The exclusions seek relief from 15% tariffs that took effect on September 1.